नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत इंग्रजी अध्ययन उपयुक्त व्हिडिओ मालिका ॲनिमल्स, बर्ड्स अँड देअर यंग वन्स। मी कविता बाजीराव टावरे, जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा पाईट, तालुका खेड, जिल्हा पुणे। चला तर मग पाहूया यंग वन्स। कॅमल यंग वन्स इज कॉल्ड काफ. एलिफंट यंग वन इज कॉल्ड काफ. Tiger young one is called cub. Lion young one is called cub. Deer young one is called fawn. Bear young one is called cub. Fox young one is called cub. Cow young one is called calf. Ox young one is called calf. Buffalo young one is called calf. Cat young one is called kitten. Goat young one is called kid. Sheep young one is called lamb. Donkey young one is called foal. Monkey young one is called infant. Rabbit young one is called buck. Pig young one is called piglet, pigling. Hen young one is called chicken. Cock young one is called chick. Sparrow young one is called nestling. Parrot young one is called chick. Peacock young one is called peachick. Duck young one is called duckling. Owl young one is called owlet. Dog young one is called puppy. Butterfly young one is called caterpillar. Dove young one is called squab chick. Pigeon young one is called squab. Honeybee young one is called grub. Frog young one is called tadpole. Eagle young one is called eaglet. Spider young one is called spiderling. Kangaroo young one is called joy. Squirrel young one is called pup. Goose young one is called gosling. Swan young one is called cynet. Horse young one is called foal. धन्यवाद. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.